Hi guys, welcome to this quick review or more like manual instructions of this digital hygrometer. This is the type CH-904. These are the instructions. I'm going to show you that pretty quickly. If you need that, you have to stop and pause and of course go to the highest resolution, which is usually 1080p. Here we have the, is it right? Yeah. I thought I have it upside down. No, it's correct. I hope it's focusing. Yeah, otherwise if you don't need that you can go skip for a minute or so. I hope I have everything. Yeah, that's it. It comes only in English. Here we have this thing. I'll focus a little bit, or I zoom a little bit in. So here we have it. I hope I can show you that. That's probably the best compromise of the display. I know it's not perfect, but I still think you can see it. So the mode is to switch between the date and the hour, I mean current time, and the alarm time. Yeah, that's the alarm time. Yeah, so these three things, current time, date, here we have the year, here we have the month, here we have the day, and we have the day of the week, and with once pressing again we have the alarm here, the alarm time. Let's start with the alarm here. We can set the alarm by long press, I mean the alarm time, so it starts flickering here, and we can adjust the hours. We press again, we can adjust the minutes, so that's it. It switches just between hours and minutes. We can press on mode, then it's done. How to activate the alarm actually is when we are in the alarm, we can click on adjust. And as you can see, we have two icons here. It's a little bit difficult to see. I hope it's focusing. There's the alarm sign here, and there's an hour sign on top. Like it looks like a wind wheel or something like that. So I'll do it again. Hope you can see that. I turn on the light. By the way, there's the light here in the back, and reset. The light is really, I don't know why people come up with this design to put the light button in the back. And that's not only the light, that's also the snooze button here. So if you get an alarm and you want to snooze it for 5 minutes, you have to press here. I mean, there's actually just one place where a snooze button has to be on an alarm, and that's on top here. Guys, if you designers watch this video, just make sure you put the button here. Yeah, no snooze button in the back. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. But anyway, let's continue with the alarm. When we have the alarm here, we have to press until we see the alarm, then we click on adjust, and then we see the alarm clock here. When we see the alarm clock here, it will be activated, and then we can press again, and yeah, let's turn on the light. Maybe we can see that there's this wind thing here on top of the double point. That means hourly, an hourly signal, and we can press again, and then we have both. We have the alarm and we have the hourly signal, and we can press again, then we have nothing. So you have all the options for the alarm and the hourly reminders. That's all just with this button here. It has about 4 combinations. So I'll have it turned off now. I think it's really difficult to see. It's really hard to see on top of the double point here, the hourly thing. So let's move on from the alarm to the next thing. Here we have the time. Yeah, if we want to set the time, of course, we hit the set button here, and we can switch between 12 and 24 hours with the adjustment here, and then we can move on to the next thing, which is the hour. and we can adjust that. I don't want that because it's accurate now. Then we can go to the minutes by set and click on adjust and yeah, increase the minutes. So you can see these are just 3 things which we can adjust by pressing set. If we are finished, we click on mode. Now we go to, yeah, that's one more thing which we can change. We can change the temperature between like Fahrenheit and Celsius. That's just when we are in the normal mode, when we see the time. So when we hit this, it changes between Celsius and Fahrenheit. We can also click here and go through the like highest measurements and lowest measurements. So you can see high, low, normal, high, low, normal. To reset, I don't even have any clue. Probably a long press, maybe use the reset. I haven't seen that. Yeah, these are more or less the functions and buttons. By the way, it has the thing which you can put yeah, to view, but still this thing here. I mean, yeah, you have the hook as well, but in general, I mean, it's only between $10 and $15. There are a lot of listings about that on Amazon. I will put down the link into the description so you can check it out. But I actually do not recommend to buy. For me, just the design doesn't work. Some of this stuff is really small. The light works pretty short. I mean, light and snooze has to be on top, definitely. Everything else is just like bad design, definitely. And I mean, it works apart from that, but for me, from my side, it's definitely not a recommendation. But I still hope I was able to help you a little bit with that video. If you have any questions or comments, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.